Hi, it's Dr. Lisa and Coach Judy, and we are here with a wisdom snack. So, Coach, many Christian women are taught early to be dependable, to be faithful, to be available, to be strong, to be excellent, to be the one people can count on. What is wisdom for that?
Those are great qualities, Dr. Lisa. But there's one thing after women have been constantly without sufficient self-care, they're outpouring without replenishment, then they become drained and they want something, but they don't know where to look for it.